What's up, every?
What's up?
Ugh. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we will be doing something very Christmassy. और because it's very late and अब तक मैंने अपने घर में Christmas decoration नहीं की, which is very bad, and I hear a lot of things from my parents every day now. So I thought, why not make a video of it? So in this video, me, Joshua, and my cousin Nayab, we are going to be decorating the living room or the sitting room, well, a certain room of my home, and we will be doing it from scratch. I mean, we're sitting right here in front of you. अभी हमने बाजार जाना है और बाजार से जाके we have to buy certain stuff. I mean, yeah. तो उसके बाद we will decorate and we will keep you in the loop too. We will be showing you certain stuff और फिर उसके बाद we will give you a final look as well. पहले we will show you a shot of before we have decorated the room, as in it's very bland. और उसके बाद फिर we will give you a shot of the after, I mean the before and after, a very cool montage of sorts. So let's see how it turns out. Please bear with us. So okay guys, we're at the shopping market type. यहाँ पे there are 2 to 3 shops जहाँ पे हम Christmas की decoration ले सकते हैं और there are Christmas trees, there are lights, there are fairy lights and a lot of other things too, and which I will show you guys in a minute. And let's see. दुकान वाले अंदर गए क्योंकि कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स पे प्राइसेस नहीं लिखी हुई, तो व्हेन ही कम्स बैक तो फिर आई विल लेट यू गाइस नो हाउ मच द स्टफ आई लाइक इज फॉर. तो फिर वी फिर ऑन. Okay guys, so we're back from our shopping haul, or we have a lot of different stuff. We have lights, different kind of balls, or yeah.
और ज़्यादा decorations.
Yes. So in a while we will start decorating. उससे पहले we have to move a little. We have a Christmas tree beforehand, लेकिन it's not set in the right place. तो उसको हम एक उसकी proper जगह पे हम वहाँ पे set करेंगे और उसके बाद फिर we will start decorating. Okay, so see you guys when we start decorating. Okay. अच्छा, तो मेरे पास कुछ हैंगिंग ऑर्नामेंट्स हैं ये which will not go very well on the tree. तो जो मैं करने लगा हूँ इसके मैं इस I'm going to put them in this bowl and hopefully the strings won't show. और इसको मैं ये जो रीत है मेरे पास ऑलरेडी इसके दरमियान में रखूँगा. Yep. See? It looks nice. और फिर उसके अलावा I think I'm gonna put some bows just randomly and hope for the best. Hey guys, it's me. I'm back again, and this time I am alone. I'm afraid Nayab will not be accompanying me, and because she had to go to her home a few nights ago, and after that we haven't been able to film together. Uske baad, it has been a few days since we filmed the former part of the video, and during the process I actually lost track of what I had to do. My mind was drawing a blank as to what I had to do for the decoration. So my cousin Roya helped me out in that aspect, and I think the turnout is great. It's very minimalist, it's very stylish, if you may want to call it that, because I think it's very nice because I've done it. I mean, I am biased, but do let me know in the comments what you think of the decoration, and let's see what we've done. So guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys liked it, and this was quite an interesting process for me because nowadays I'm not really in the best shape of mind. So this was very therapeutic for me. I got to create something out of my own hands, or even creating a simple and meager task as creating a video is very, I mean, I found it very good for my health, I think. So do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the decoration, if you liked it, if you would like to make any changes or something like that to it. What would you want it to be? Or so yeah, that's pretty much it. And okay.